Did you know that 80% of the cookware products in your home are releasing forever chemicals into your food and into your body? Why does this matter, and why should you care? Well, these forever chemicals are known endocrine disruptors, things like BPA, its distant cousin, BPS. And endocrine disruption means that they mess with your hormones. They've been linked to infertility, PCOS, cardiac issues, metabolic diseases, and all kinds of other chronic conditions. And actually, these forever chemicals and these disruptors are in all other places in your home that you wouldn't even expect, like this plastic spatula. And when I first started looking into all of this, it was honestly a little overwhelming. So I put together a website, replaceplastic.com. I've done the work for you. I've put together some beautiful products and lists that you can start making simple, little, inexpensive swaps here and there that are going to dramatically reduce your exposure. Who eats this many carrots?